Thanh and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, last year I already vlogged a condo tour when my brother tried to find one to buy. After seeing a few condos, he decided to buy a condo that located in between of District 1 and Binh Thanh District, and it's next to Landmark 81. The condo named Sunwah Pearl, and it was built in 2020, so it's kind of new. My brother condos have 2.5 bedrooms, and the price was 9.1 million Vietnam dong. So it's around 367,000 USD. Let's make another tour and see how it looks. Let's go. So this is the entrance, and next to the entrance will be a few convenience store like mini stop or Winmart. They have this machine in front of the front door. So if you live here and you have a card, you can scan the card right here, and then the door will open for you. Or you can call the owner of the house if you are a guest. So I go already inside. They have a sofa, big sofa right here for the guests to wait if they already contact the owner. And right here is mailbox. They have the number of the house. And they can order things too in the Shopee or something like Amazon in the US. They put their package here. This is the elevator. So if you go to the 6th floor, there will be the swimming pool. And here they have total 45 floors. Here they have a lock, and then you can enter the password. Hello. When you first enter, you can see the kitchen right here with the stove, the sink, refrigerators. When they bought this house, it already have all of this. And here is a dining table, a wall with the mirror, but this mirror my brother designed and have someone to do it. This is the sofa, table, and the TV. This wall, my mom also paid someone to put like a stone right here and a shelf. They also decorated the wood on the top. This condo have 2.5 bedrooms. The room that they put the washer and dryer, or you can hang the clothes here. This is a small bedroom that I told you that a half bedrooms. You can use it for the kid bedroom or a working space. This side will be another bedroom, a bigger one. My sister-in-law used it for her workplace. Here is the bathroom with one sink, one toilet. Here you can take a shower. This apartment, they don't do like a bathtub. Here is the master bedrooms. They have this barrier for the baby. It's safe for babies to be inside here alone. Bedroom, big curtain and windows. Really nice view. And a TV, small shelf right here. And this is another bathroom. This condo is 106 meters square, kind of big. So you feel very comfortable when you live here. Here you can go outside, and my brother condo is a pool view. You can see the pool there. This pool is for adults, and it has a view from Saigon River. That area, my brother told me we can go there to do like barbecue. I will show you guys the place that we can do barbecue. They have some table here and a bench for you to sit down, or some table right here. Or that long table is for family group. This area also for big family group. But this apartment, they don't allow to do the barbecue right here. You can, because of the smoke, and those apartment right there, they don't like the smoke to go inside their house. So you have to bring food here. You can buy food or cook the food inside your apartment, and then you can bring the food here. Around 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. the weather right here is really good. And now I will show you guys where is the gym. If you stay here, you can work out for free. This is the area for kids to play. This is the restroom for swimming pool. From here you can see the river, and from the gym you can see the river too. That's a nice view to work out. Here they always have a staff to clean everything all day. This is the gym. When you go inside, you can check in right here. You just need to say your name and your house number. They have all the equipment here. And next to the gym room will be the family party room. You can check in here for family. They have a very nice bar right here. That is the office, and here is the library, and on that side will be the kid rooms. Let's go inside the library, check it out. They have a big round table right here for you to have like a small meeting, or you can sit here to read book. Here's the playroom for kids. Okay guys, that is a small tour of the condo of my brother in Sunwah Pearl. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.